Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want someone you trust to see your iPhone screen and help you remotely for troubleshooting, guidance or tech support, iPhone now supports remote support via screen sharing. In iPhone settings 2026, remote support works through FaceTime screen sharing with control permissions while keeping your privacy protected. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn on and use remote support on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, make sure your iPhone supports remote support. Okay, so remote support requires iOS 17 or later, iOS 2026 versions included, FaceTime enabled, internet connection, Wi-Fi or data, Apple ID signed in. Okay, so both you and the helper must be on the compatible iOS versions. Okay, so now go to settings, look for the FaceTime, okay, or type it here. Okay, so make sure FaceTime is on. As you can see, here is it. So remote support works through the FaceTime screen sharing. Okay, so still in FaceTime, ensure screen sharing is allowed. You are signed in with your Apple ID. No separate remote support app is required. Okay, so start a FaceTime call with the helper. To begin remote support, open FaceTime. Call the person who will help you. Once connected, remote support can begin. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.